Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Arts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to copy the files from my Windows 10 PC to USB pen drive, and it shows the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable, and in followed by it shows that file details, and also they mention the one error code. So how to fix this issue? And here I show the 3 methods to fix this problem. But before going to the solution, first of all check that copying file properties, which means that if that file is fully downloaded or not. So once you check it and then locate your pen drive and simply right click on it and go to properties. So here you can select tools category and then check it if your pen drive have any errors or not. And this is method 1. So once this process completed, just close all the windows. So next you can open your command prompt. But I try to run this command prompt as administrator mode. And then execute I mentioned command. And here my pen drive is located in the name of USB drive D. So I put the drive path as D and then click to execute. And this process may take some time, so be patient. So once the process is completed, you can try to copy that same file into your pen drive, and this is method 2. So if both of the methods are not working, just try this third method. So by simply format your external drive. But in this file system section, you can change to NDFS and click to start this process. But friends, before going to format your drive, just back up all the important files. So anyway, once this format process is completed, finally one more time, just try to copy that file. So I hope these 3 methods will fix that error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech Arts, and thanks for watching.